Okay, so now you're wondering, what is this kind of wonderful magic right here? Well, what this is, it just rolls around like magic. Ta-da, look at that, how nicely it rolls. It's got little wheels there. And basically I just took it out of the package like this, took the plastic bag off of it, took the box off of it. You just take that little Velcro strap right there and just watch what happens here. Just magically, might have to use two hands, but rolling cart just unfolds into a little rolling cart right there like that. And you just lift up on this little handle here and it just goes back up again. And then you close it back up and hold it together with that little Velcro strap right there. How awesome is that? Ta-da! Amazing. It's really super sturdy. Really very, very nice. How about that? That is very cool. That was like the easiest thing ever. That is like the easiest thing ever. Get the Velcro out and then just open right up. Ta-da. Look at that. It's got three really nice resin shelves. Really nice hinged system there. There's the back side. Front side. Little handle. You just lift up to make it collapse again. How about that? That is really going to be handy. They sent this to us so we could show it to you, and I'm telling you, that is just really nice wheels. It rolls really, really nicely. Looks really nice. The legs, really nice painted legs, and really nice resin shelves. And oh, there's even protective film on the legs here that you can take off. I didn't take it off. I just took it out of the box here, but there's actually a plastic film on here we should take off. But how about that? Let's see. Remove films before use to avoid issues with functionality. So yeah, it says take this little plastic wrap off of here. But yeah, that's just for shipping and while it was being manufactured. Oh, it's got brakes. It's got brakes on the wheels here. Haha, look at that. So yeah, how about that? That is pretty cool. I like that. Just lift that right there and it'll just hee. Okay, I like that. Very nice.